Hello guys, welcome to Keep Calm and Trade. This is my trade setup so far. Okay, you can see a breakout happening. Okay, I have traded with one lot of Bank Nifty. I'll just explain the trade. Why did I make entry after completion of the trade? Just hold on, guys. You can see for now we have a very good breakout happening. Okay, okay. Uh, Bank Nifty is moving. So my target will be around this level, another 20-30 points. So for now, other 20-30 points means for now, close this. My target will be around this point, like 383 will be my target. Okay, I'll just explain you guys why did I make entry in this particular Bank Nifty for this time, even though it is falling. Okay, you can see today is a negative day. See how it is moving. It's a live demonstration. Okay, and you can see Nifty is around 100 points down. Okay, let's see what was the point here. I'm expecting up to 383. Whenever it around another 20 points, I will exit, guys. Okay, I'm just waiting for my zone. I'll just exit at market level. Okay, HDFC also, you can see there is a small breakout in HDFC. So HDFC Bank is driving the Bank Nifty high. I hope you guys know what is the percentage of HDFC Bank in Bank Nifty. So we should always track HDFC in order to know and understand Bank Nifty's next move. Okay, see HDFC Bank is moving and Bank Nifty is also moving. I'm almost nearing to my profit level. Okay guys, my profit is done. I will exit at market level. I'm waiting for another 20-30 points. Can I get, or I will miss out? 283. Okay, come on. Okay, it retraced. I should have placed a limit order. It would have booked the profit by now. But the movement is good, which we all can see here. I should have placed a limit order. What mistake I did is waiting for a market order to exit. See, it might reverse now because it's a steep going up. So it's not a good idea to hold now. I think I should exit. Anyway, I missed another 10-20 points here. So I'm just waiting, guys, to book my profit. See, it's going down. It went down. See, now what is the learning here? After reaching this point, I have already, see, I should have placed a limit order here. Okay, because this is a market structure. This is a place where market might reverse, because this is the place where market fell from here. See, you can see, and you guys can also observe this is a neckline for a bullish head and shoulder pattern. Okay, I missed my target. Okay, and I'm just waiting to get one more opportunity in order to book my profit. Let's see whether I can get the opportunity or not. Looking at the HDFC Bank movement, I should get the opportunity because the previous candle is not broken. So if it breaks 1464, there is a probability of HDFC Bank going more higher side. Okay, in that case, Bank Nifty will definitely move. I can book my profit. I'm just waiting for a good area to book the profit, since I missed placing the limit order. Let's wait, guys. Okay, I'm trading against the trend. So in fact, I should not wait for more target, because the daily trend is on the lower side. So this is a kind of pullback trade with the help of breakout. So this is a breakout I traded, and this is one more breakout which confirmed our trade. it will go up, and in fact it moved up, but I did the mistake of not placing a limit order in order to book my profit, and I'm missing my profits. Okay, I have a trend line support here. This is another chart I have opened at 10-minute time frame. If I go to 5 minutes, I have a trend line support here which I already drawn here. You guys can see. Hopefully that will give the support, and okay, HDFC is moving, so that's a good news. So if HDFC moves, Bank Nifty will definitely move. Let's wait, guys. Wait and see, can we achieve our target or not. See, ICICI Bank is also holds the second position in Bank Nifty list. Okay, so even ICICI Bank should move in order to move the Bank Nifty up or down. Okay, see, also see, so this is the problem. HDFC is going up and ICICI is going in the negative direction. Okay, so I think it's a good idea to book the profits now. Okay, or else even if HDFC comes down, I might not capture this profit also. Okay, I'll wait for last chance. Okay, see, it is coming down. That is because HDFC will also come down. I missed another 40 points. Close. Why did I miss? Because of this ICICI Bank's move. ICICI Bank is continuously going down, driving the Bank Nifty down. So that was the reason. Okay, I'll update you guys. Wait. Okay, guys. Welcome back. Bank Nifty is back to the pavilion. So this is the time to book my profit. Okay, this time I will not miss. Okay, I have booked my profits. I booked around 2000 rupees, and you know, right, Zerodha has a glitch, and I have already booked my profits, and still it is moving in my way. And in fact I should have hold the Bank Nifty in order to capture 100 points. See, it's going up, up and up. Hello guys, welcome back. This is the final profit I booked. You can see the order book here. Wait a minute please. Welcome back, guys. Okay, so this is the profit I booked today, and you can see the order book here. If you want me to refresh, I'll refresh it. Okay, so this is the order book. I entered at 11:52, which is 11:52. What is 11:52 here? Okay, this candle I made the entry. This candle. Okay, why did I make entry? So the question number one. Even though the market is going downwards. Okay, so what happened, I mean what my analysis was, you can see I drew a trend line here, and once this trend line was broken, okay, it took a support here. I have marked this level, you can see here I have marked this level. So once it marked here, I try to make the entry. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so I'll take the Fibonacci and mark the high and low. Okay, so what is the one more reason to make the entry is, so this is 0.23 level, and there was a breakout at 0.236. I hope you all guys know that support and resistance concept. So once any support is broken, it will act as a resistance. Once any resistance is broken, it will act as a support. So by taking that concept, what I did is, after breaking this trend line, you can see after breakout it took a support on 0.236 level of the Fibonacci. Okay, so that's why I have marked this level and made an entry around 10:52, and there was double confirmation by another breakout, and the target was achieved. So this was the target I marked, and in fact we can expect a very good move from here also, because this is a bullish head and shoulder pattern. So we can expect a very good move. And one more thing, why did I hold the stock or bank nifty even after it is falling here? So here I have marked a trend line. Okay, we don't need this. At 10-minute time frame I have marked the trend line here. We don't need CPR also. I marked the trend line here. After breaking the trend line, it was supposed to reject from the trend line. Okay, that is called retest or last kiss concept. But instead of rejecting, it broke the trend line. And as I have already explained, anything is broken, support will convert into resistance. Any resistance is broken will convert into support. So this candle took the support, and hence I waited for the target, and my target is achieved. This is my position for the day, and that's it guys. I was able to capture 80 points. If you are liking my video, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you.